Imagine walking outside one night and looking up at the sky, but something is missing. No gentle glow, no silver light. The moon is gone. What would happen to Earth if our only natural satellite suddenly disappeared? Would we survive? Or would our planet slowly fall into chaos? Let's explore the fascinating and terrifying reality of a world without the moon. At first, you might think nothing much has changed. The sun still rises, the stars still shine, and life goes on. But soon, nature starts to behave differently. The first thing we'd notice, the nights become much darker. The moon reflects sunlight, making our nights up to 400,000 times brighter than they would be otherwise. Without it, nights would be pitch black. Predators that hunt under moonlight would struggle. Animals that rely on the moon to navigate, like turtles, owls, and even some fish, would lose their way. Next, the oceans. Right now, the moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating high and low tides. Without the moon, tides would shrink to only 1/3 of their current size, controlled mostly by the sun's gravity. Coastal ecosystems would be destroyed. Many marine species that depend on tidal movement for feeding and breeding would vanish. The balance of life in the oceans would break, leading to massive chain reactions in the food web. But the moon does more than light up our sky or move our oceans. It stabilizes our planet. The moon's gravity keeps Earth's axial tilt steady at around 23.5 degrees. Without it, the Earth's tilt could wobble wildly between 0 and 85 degrees over millions of years. That means unpredictable and extreme climates. Imagine polar ice melting completely one era and covering half the planet the next. The rhythm of seasons would disappear. Summers could turn into endless winters, and agriculture, as we know it, would collapse. The moon also slows down Earth's rotation. Every year, it makes our day a tiny bit longer. If it vanished, Earth would start spinning faster. A day might shorten to just 6 to 8 hours over millions of years. Faster rotation would mean stronger winds, more violent storms, and increased erosion. It would be a very different, chaotic planet, unstable and unpredictable. And here's something truly beautiful. The moon may have played a major role in the origin of life itself. Its gravitational pull created strong tides billions of years ago, mixing chemicals along coastlines and tidal pools, perhaps sparking the first life on Earth. Without the moon, maybe life would have never begun. And if it disappeared now, many species would slowly fade away, unable to adapt to the sudden change. Finally, imagine the emotional impact. The moon has guided human history in art, myths, calendars, and love. No more full moons, eclipses, or the soft glow lighting up the night. Poetry would lose its muse, astronomy would lose its closest companion, and our planet would lose its balance, physically and emotionally. So if the moon disappeared, Earth would not explode, but it would never be the same. Our tides, climate, and even the rhythm of life would crumble. The moon is more than a rock in the sky. It's the silent guardian that keeps our planet alive and stable. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, that glowing sphere isn't just beautiful, it's essential.